Have you ever wondered what is actually happening inside a blender when you make a juice? To us, it may seem like a normal, everyday routine, but there is actually something far more complex happening inside the blender. As we know, the blade in the blender rotates rapidly in a circle, cutting, mixing, and blending the ingredients inside efficiently. This process is actually related to a physics principle called rotational motion. However, there are also some other physics principles that are involved in a blender besides rotational motion. For example, torque, angular velocity, centripetal force, and energy conversion.
It works based on rotational mechanics principle. The motor converts electrical energy into rotational motion, causing the blade to rotate at high speed and apply forces to the food or liquid. Inside the blender in an electric motor, the motor creates torque that spins the blade shaft. Torque formula is torque equals to Rf. The motor applies torques to overcome inertia of the blades, resistance of the food or liquids, and friction. An electric motor produces torque. The motor generates torque that causes the blender's blade to rotate. Blades spin around a fixed axis. The blades rotate at high speed, creating rotational motion inside the blender. Centripetal force acts on the ingredients. The spinning blade forces the ingredients to move in circular path inside the blender. Angular velocity controls the blade's speed. To determine how fast the blender's blades rotates, higher angular velocity allows the blades to cut, crush mixed ingredient more efficiently. Energy conversion occurs. The blender converts electrical energy from motor into rotational kinetic energy, causing the blades to spin and blend the ingredients. Torque. The electric motor produces torque to rotate the blade's blade. Centripetal force. Ingredients move in circular motion inside the blender container while rotating. Angular velocity. The blades spin at high speed to blend ingredients quickly and efficiently. Energy conversion. Electrical energy is converted into rotational kinetic energy to operate the blender system.
So next, I will explain more about the physical process of blender. So this is the physical process involved in the operation of a blender, showing how energy is converted and how the rotating blades blend the ingredient. So I will explain for you step by step. First, electrical energy from the power source flow into the motor of the blender. Next, the motor converts the electrical energy into mechanical rotation energy, causing the shaft to third, the torque produced by the motor then makes the blade rotate rapidly. So fourth, as the blade spins at a high speed, they create circular motion inside the blender container. 5. The ingredient then experience cutting and crushing force from the rotating blades, causing them to be mixed and blend together. Lastly, during the process, heat may be also produced due to friction to the operation of motor. So, these are the equations that are involved in the blender system.
When it comes to the outcome products, the main result is breaking down all the ingredients. The motor spins the blade very fast. The blade hits the food with high speed and energy, which breaks it into tiny pieces. This turns solid food into a fine mixture. Secondly, the mixing effect. The spinning blades push the food outwards and create a whirlpool. This vortex pulls all the ingredients back into the plate so everything gets mixed evenly. It makes sure that no chunks are left unmixed. Lastly, the leftover energy. Not all energy goes into blending. The friction and drag turn some energy into heat, which makes the mixture turn warm. The motor and impact also create some noise and vibration, so the blender creates a fine mixture plus heat, sound, and vibration.
Thank you to my crewmates. Now I will proceed my parts is conclusions. In conclusions, our blenders is more than just a kitchen applications. It is a necessary tool for everybody who value combinations, informations, and healthy living. We have recognized that preparations can often be time consuming and tiring, especially who have busy lifestyle. With our innovations design, powerful motor, and durations blender, our blender delivering smooth and concentrations result in second. It's using friendly filters and easy to clear structure, make it suitable for daily use in any households. We believe that standardized preparations people can enjoy healthy meal and save value time. Let's make cooking easily, fasting, and healthy with our blender.